Okay, so in our previous segment, we talked about what happens at a convergent zone. Now we want to talk about what's happening as the plates are moving away from each other. And so this is under the heading of how do mountain belts form, but you really don't have mountain belts as a result of this, although the ground can be uplifted. So that, let's say that at a divergent zone, the ground used to be horizontal like this. Okay, so as the material from the asthenosphere is making its way up, what's going to happen is the ground is going to bow like this, okay, because of the magma that's coming underneath it. So topographically, this area can be quite high. Okay, it could be a mile high if it's under the ocean. Okay, but what's going to happen is as it breaks, so this is going to break right here as the magma comes up, this piece is going to go this way, this piece is going to go this way, and the ground is going to be extended. So you're going to have extension. So forces are being applied in this direction and this direction. So with convergence, it was being compressed, and now it's under tension as it's doing this. So as it breaks apart, new magma is going to be filling up this area here. But as these plates are moving away, they're going to be cooling off, and they're going to become brittle because they're up near the surface of the Earth. So as they move away, they're going to break, and you're going to have a series of normal faults on either side like this. So in that picture there, you can see that it's going to look, oh, I don't know, something like this until you get to the spreading zone, and then it repeats itself over here on this side. So these are normal faults, are going to be a result of the extension as this thing moves away. And then as it moves further away, it's going to be getting sediment from the continent, which eventually is just going to cover over all of that material, and then you're going to have a kind of a flat topography as a result of that. So the kinds of structures that you're going to have with this is going to be basically your normal faulting. So in order to get folds, you need to have compression acting on it. But when things are being pulled apart, you're going to have normal faulting. When things are pushed together, you're going to have reverse faulting. So you can have faulting when things are being pulled apart or when things are being pushed together. Okay, so now we're going to switch gears, and in our next segment, we're going to talk about what causes uplift.